We have got a special Nova. This isn't just another Nova on the turntable here. This is a very rare and desirable car. It's an SS. Under the hood is a numbers matching 396 350 horsepower. In between the bucket seats is a console, factory console with gauges, and a 4-speed. It's a numbers match Muncie 4-speed. In the back is its original numbers match 12-bolt posi rear end. There's also factory air conditioning under the hood that works. It's got the rosewood wheel, power steering, power disc brakes. This is a rare car. They made 1,974 of the 396s with the 350 horsepower. And of all the Novas made, like 250,000 Novas were made, only 4% had 4 speeds. So you take the 1,974, how many of those were 4 speeds? How many had factory air? How many still exist on this planet with numbers matched throughout? And then you throw in the buckets and the gauges and the tack on. This is a really desirable, nice car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the info, look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag along with an easy finance payment as well. We also have a Buy It Now button. I always suggest that you hit that button to lock it in while you're thinking about it before someone else beats you to it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So overall condition of the car, very nice car. It's not a concourse nut and bolt trailer queen, but it's just a really nice car. Definitely worthy to go to any car show. You're going to be proud of it. So let's check it out. So this looks absolutely pristine. The hood and fender is laser beam straight. I don't see damage, ripples, shrinkage. I don't see anything. Clean right down to the bottom. Straight, no door dings, dents, issues, no rust, no damage. I can open that with just my thumb, hardly even pushing. All clean, 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 clean. Super nice body. Look how that fits real nice. Straight, no issues with the body. Nice, nice stuff. All down here is all clean, all nice. Lines up real nicely all the way up at the top. Shuts super easy. Clean, no rust, no bubbles, no damage. So the body's excellent. It's repainted its original color. It's a Cortez silver car. The silver is laid out evenly. A lot of times silver can become blotchy or cloudy. This looks very good, and it has a very glossy, clear coat finish. There are a few chips on the edge of this door. Here's a scratch. It's not all the way through, but there is a small scratch right there, a thin one. Minor blemishes. Yeah, they have to be very minor because I can't find any right now to tell you. So the paint's very, very nice. 8 or 9 out of 10 for sure. The vinyl top looks new. There's no bumps under it. It's all real nice. The windshield is very clear. The moldings, stainless moldings look new. A little bit of pitting on this one little piece of chrome right here. The rubber is pretty soft. This is an anodized trim around the doors, and it gets cloudy. It's not stainless. It's anodized. That's probably a 6 or 7 out of 10. It's not beat up. It's just a little aged. Shiny door handles. So it's the SS Big Block, so it has the blacked out panel. This all looks really nice. The bumper looks really nice, slightly tarnished, especially like right in here and a little bit down here. Tail lights look new, marker lights look new. The lower rocker moldings, that all looks new. Sitting on some SS wheels, and they are 15-inch. Look how wide this one is. It has that extra lip in there with a fatter tire. You can see the difference between the front and the back. It's wider, taller, gives it that muscle stance. The rest of the glass looks really nice. Back window's crystal clear. Mirror, emblem, that all looks new. Marker lights, 396, that's new. Front bumper's real shiny and straight. It's an 8 out of 10. grill trim, all that looks great. The SS grills on the hood look new. Let's open it up. Let's see the inside. All right, so under the trunk lid, painted and clear coated real nicely. Same thing with the jamb. Weather strip is replaced. All clean metal inside. It's been sprayed with this spatter finish out of a can. New mat. This is a reproduction redline tire. It's got the nubs still on the tread. Looks like a repainted SS wheel. So it might have had red lines on the car one time. Somebody put the BF Goodrich's on there. But that is a nice looking spare. I don't see a jack, so just a spare. The door jambs are clean. They're painted nice. Weather strips are real nice. Door panels look really good. The armrest, the handles, all that looks real nice. Okay, so this is all real good. You can see the factory tachometer in there. And all the plastic trim, the vents, the knobs, the plastics, all real good. Also has a clock, and it is working. It is ticking. Heater control panel looks good. Original AM radio. Dash pad probably replaced. Factory air car, so it has the vents right there. Cigarette lighter matches. Got an owner's manual, and it also has, from 1974, they went to Sears and had new tires put on the car. Kick panels are nice. Carpets are real nice. Here's the factory console with the gauges. Hurst T-handle shifter. It's got all the seat belts. A lot of Novas were bench seats. This is buckets. Cushions are nice and firm. The upholstery's tight. The headrests look real good. The seat back not beat up. The plastic trim, all that's really good. Everything in back looks just as nice. Has all the seat belts, the upholstery, the side panels, all real good. The rear deck has the speaker grills. Headliner was replaced. Dome light works, has the shoulder belts. Visors were replaced. Mirror is new. And it even has the rosewood deluxe steering wheel there. All right, so, I mean, to see a big block under the hood of a Nova and have it be matching numbers, that's quite a surprise. So it's all stock. It's a 350 horsepower, all stock manifolds, heads, valve covers, the air cleaner. It all looks to be very good. If you want to be really particular, the orange paint could use a little freshening up. This has the smog equipment too. All the pollution pump and the hoses, the whole system is there. Factory air conditioning. We did charge the air. It's got a new heater control valve. Looks like all new spark plug wires. Spring clamp battery cables. So is the rubber piece here, the shroud, the right cap, the right clamps, the right fuel filter, AC compressor. No power steering, but does have power disc brakes as part of the Super Sport. Just everything in here is clean and orderly. The washers are hooked up, wires are run neatly. And then under the hood is painted gloss black. It has hood insulation. I just love the sound of a muscle car. So underneath this car is very neat and orderly and proper. The floors are just smooth, dry, clean metal. They look to be original. Very impressed with the metal under the car. Nice satin black finish. The front end looks like it was completely redone and apart and rebuilt. The steering and the suspension. It's got air shocks in back. jacked it up a little bit for them big tires. Looks like the fuel system was replaced, the brake system was replaced, all the lines, the hoses, its disc in front, e-brake cables are hooked up. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with the sideways muffler, the transverse muffler in back, which is correct, and then it goes back out to 2 tailpipes. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter looks new. The whole 4-speed, the Muncie, all that, the shift linkage, all that's real clean. And again, it is the VIN number match Muncie 4-speed. I think it's an M20. It's all dated to the car. In back is the original 12-bolt rear end. It's a 331 Posi. The dates and codes line right up for this car. So very nice, well-sorted, highly optioned, desirable car throughout. Again, this is special. Out of 250,000 Novas made that year, 1,974 had that motor. Now, how many had a 4-speed? How many had air? How many had all the options? How many exist all number matching today? This is a special car. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions. They'll help get it delivered to your driveway. They'll help you finance it. Don't forget to subscribe real quick to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon if you want to be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.